Yoho minasan! Welcome back to another video of Titbit Japanese. This is part 4 of lesson 1 from Minna no Nihongo. This video has answers to your part 3 questions, new words in the vocabulary section, a brand new section called the greeting section, how to introduce yourself, and activity. Let's check out the answers to part 3 now, shall we? There were some tricky statements here, so it's fine if you did not answer it because let's learn them together. If you have tried, then that's amazing as well. The first one, yes, he is a scholar. In the statement, it's fine if you write, Hi, Kenkyusha desu. Yes, he is a scholar. Here the topic is implied. He is understood because this statement is a potential answer to another question which would have been, is he a scholar? So the topic would have been introduced in that sentence. Or you could have written, Hi, ano hito wa kenkyusha desu, because you may not know how to say he is. Either ways, that's perfectly fine. The next statement, no, Mr. Matt is not a Sakura University professor. Mr. Matt is a Yumi Bank employee. Professor is sensei. Sakura University professor is Sakura Daigaku no sensei. No is iie. Matt is not a Sakura University professor. Mato-san wa Sakura Daigaku no sensei ja arimasen. Remember, noun 1 wa noun 2 des or noun 1 wa noun 2 ja arimasen. This is noun 1 wa noun 2 ja arimasen. Noun 1 is not noun 2. So who is he? He is a bank employee of Yumi Bank. You could say Yumi Ginko no Ginkoin desu or Yumi no Ginkoin desu or Mato-san wa Yumi Ginko no Ginkoin desu. Here I have not mentioned Mato-san wa Yumi Ginko no Ginkoin because Mato-san has already been introduced in the previous sentence as the topic of this discussion. The next one. I am a doctor. That person is also a doctor. Dino is not a doctor. Quite a straightforward sentence, right? Watashi wa isha desu. I am a doctor. That person is also a doctor. Noun 2, mo, noun 3 desu. If noun 1 wa, noun 3 desu, right? So, ano hito mo isha desu. I am a doctor. That person is also a doctor. The nouns are common, right? Dino is not a doctor. Dino-san wa isha ja arimasen. He is not a doctor. Next one. Miki is Japanese. Miki-san wa Nihonjin desu. Jin is added after a country so that that person becomes a national of that country, right? Miki-san wa Nihonjin desu. Then she is a student of Professor Maki. So Professor Maki's student. Okay, this is a bit tricky. We have seen noun 1 no noun 2 to show noun 2 belongs to noun 1 or it's noun 1's noun 2. Let's use the same logic over here. Student of Professor Maki. So Professor Maki is Maki Sensei. Maki Sensei's student. Maki Sensei no Gakse. If you thought that deep and if you could answer this question, seriously, that's fantastic. If not, now you've learned something new, right? So, Miki is a student of Professor Maki. Miki-san wa Maki sensei no gakusei desu. Now, we've already seen Miki-san wa Nihonjin desu, so there's no need to repeat the topic twice, which is why the sentence can be written as Miki-san wa Nihonjin desu. Maki sensei no gakusei desu. The last statement, what is it? Or that's quite easy. It's nan desu ka? What's it? Or just what? In today's video, let's start off with some new words in the vocabulary section. The first one is sai. Sai means years old. Nansai means how many years old. Second is oikutsu. Oikutsu. Oikutsu also means nansai or how many years old. It is used to ask the age of a person, but this is way more polite than nansai. Kotoba. The next word is kotoba. Kotoba means word. Kotoba. Gengo. Gengo means language. So if we want to say a particular language, it's normally a country plus go. Normally, of course, there are exceptions to everything, but we already saw what Nihon was. Nihon is Japan. Nihonjin is Japanese. And the language Japanese is Nihongo. Quite easy, right? Kankoku. Kankoku is South Korea. Chugoku. Chugoku. It's China. Doitsu. Doitsu. Doitsu is Germany. It evolved from the word Dutch. So it's quite easy to remember. Dutch became Deutsche. Kuni. Kuni means country. America. America means the USA. Igiris. Igiris. It means the UK. Eigo. From the go in the end, you can infer that it's something to do with language. Eigo. Eigo means English. Nihongo. Nihongo is Japanese. Moving on to greetings. Haha. The first one is Ohayo gozaimasu. Ohayo or Ohayo gozaimasu means good morning. Onegai shimasu. It means please. Onegai shimasu. Please. Onegai means favor. Konnichiwa. Konnichiwa means hello. That's something I say, right? Konnichiwa. Konnichiwa. Konbanwa. Konbanwa. It means good evening. Oyasumi nasai. Oyasumi nasai. It means good night. Oyasumi nasai. Sumimasen. It means excuse me or sorry, both. Sumimasen, it depends on the context. Shitsure desu ka? It means excuse me, but shitsure means to commit an incivility. Shitsure desu ka means excuse me, but arigato gozaimasu, it means thank you. Arigato or arigato gozaimasu, it means thank you. Let's now learn how to introduce ourselves. So, you are introducing yourself to a person whom you're meeting for the first time. First, we start off with Hajime mashite. It means nice to meet you for the first time. Hajime mashite. And then you say, Watashi wa, your name, desu. I am so and so. Hajime mashite. Watashi wa so and so desu. Then, the place you come from. Dash is the place. Dash karakimashita. I come from so and so place. Indo karakimashita. I come from India. Nihon karakimashita. I come from Japan. Chugok karakimashita. I come from China. Dozo yoroshiku onegai shimasu. Please be nice to me. Hajimemashite. Watashi wa Nita desu. Indo karakimashita. Dozo yoroshiku onegai shimasu. Nice to meet you for the first time. I am Nita. I am from India. Please be nice to me. Now, try to introduce yourself. This time, include your profession as well as your nationality. That's it for this video, and I hope you enjoyed learning Japanese with me. Let's check out the answer in the next video. Until then, stay safe and bye-bye.